So this is my CD82. I'm gonna power it on. This is my driver's side crew box. That's the rear passenger. That's the next rear passenger. And that is the right front passenger. And that one I'll show you in a second, but it's got the double headset for the gunner up top as well. I haven't finished mounting this part of it because I'm gonna put the Blue Force tracker radio tray. I've got about 9 of them coming, but I don't have it yet, so I haven't. So the docking station is just laying here, and I haven't mounted my speaker, but let's go over and see where the speaker is gonna go. That's the double headset crew box that will go from the front passenger and the gunner. The wires just ran them through here. I temporarily put these here to hold them up in here, but probably gonna put these grommets further out this way and use them to secure it and kind of tuck it in and run it around. And so this LS688 speaker, the wire is obviously long. I want to mount it probably somewhere right here, so kind of that's how we would sit, or maybe mount it on the back of this, kind of something like this. I don't know how I feel about that, but the speaker is kind of cool. Not very loud, but still kind of cool to have. And again, things are still not completely wired up, but they're getting there, and I'll show you the function in a second. So the best part of the system is going to be what I'm about to show you right now. So we've got it wired up with our phones. Put the phone away so I can unlock it, and just go ahead and, I don't know, let's go with this, my daughter's show. So what you're hearing right now is the speaker. So let's kill that. No, stop. So we're going to show you the coolest feature of the phone and the VIC-3. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.